welcome to the Kidz Science Corner. Today I've got another awesome experiment for us to do. So if you watched my previous video, you might have seen that I've got this science kit here, a Mel science kit. And today we're going to do an experiment from it. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Also, if some of you are interested in art, you can go check out my cousin sister Malika's channel, and I'll put a link to it down below. So let's get started. So today the experiment we're going to do today is a foam eruption experiment. So from this kit, we have some sodium carbonate, we have some citric acid, we have food coloring, we have a little scooper to scoop up water. We have a little spoon. We have some liquid soap. We have a stirring stick. And so these are and we have a tray. And these are all the items that we have from the kit. But you also want some items from your plain home. You'll need a cup of water, and you'll need a plate. Oh, and you'll also need from the kit, let me take it out here. You also need a little beaker. You'll also need a disposable cup. Okay, so first what you're gonna do is you're going to take your little disposable cup, place it on the tray. You want to take your food coloring and pour one big spoon of it into the spoon. Oh, a little too much. There, I think that's enough. Then all you want to do is just pour it in there. Go. Set that aside. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your little scooper, and then with your water, you're going to fill this up to 20 ml. And if you don't have 20 ml on it, just fill 10 ml 2 times. There. And then just squirt it in the bowl. We don't have a 20 ml, so I'm just going to do 10 ml 2 times. Okay, now with your stirring stick, you just want to stir it up. Okay, till it turns into a nice color. Gonna place your stick down. Oh. And then set this aside because we don't really need this anymore, but we will use it again. Now take your beaker, place it on the tray, and pour your sodium carbonate into it, the whole bottle. There you go, the whole thing. And your citric acid. Okay. It all in there. Okay, I'm gonna set that aside. Okay, now you're gonna give it a little shake like that, so it kind of mixes together. You don't want to use the stirring stick. You don't want to stir it too much, like that. Then you're gonna take your liquid soap. I'm gonna cut it open with some scissors. It's a little hard. Take your scissors. Cut it out a little. I think that's enough. And carefully just pour it in. Pour it all in there. Okay, that's good. Wait, okay. Oops, sorry. Now what you're gonna do is just stir it up. Just stir it a little bit till it's all kind of mixed together. Now you're gonna use your plate and bowl and carefully put your flask in the center. And then you're going to take your food coloring mixture, carefully hold the beaker, and pour the whole mixture in and wait to see what happens. Oh, it's rising, it's rising. Oh, wow! Look at that. And it never even stops either. It just keeps going. The foam actually did this because of the liquid soap. The liquid soap made the foam rise like this. Awesome chemical reaction that gives out carbon dioxide, and the foam is rising because of the liquid soap. Wow, this is so pretty. Thank you so much for watching the Kidz Science Corner. I hope you had as much as fun as I did doing this experiment, and if you do it at home, please send me pictures and videos. You know I love seeing them. Well, bye!